flagship station of the Ball State University campus station, WAGO, Boss Radio 57, Wagner Hall, Muncie.
This week in the top 30 plus 15, the flirtations and nothing but a heartache. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Dave Letterman, and you're listening to the Dave Letterman radio program, the radio program which asks a question. Oh, excuse me, there's the telephone. Good evening, WAGO. May I help you? You're looking for a gaboon, a viper? Well, have you tried over in the library? Well, the lighting's much better over there. We'll see you a little later, clown. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to take any more of these crank phone calls. Something about the hooded merganser. Anyway, this is all you have to do to win a swell prize tonight here at WAGO. Now, correctly identify this sound. Did you hear that? I'll do it once again for those of you who had to get up out of the sick bed to get closer to the radio. Did you hear that? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to place our phone call, see if someone can correctly identify the mystery noise. And there it is. Excuse me here, I'll just place the call now. Goodness, someone's shooting at us. I'll be dialing this on the air for your benefit. My, does that sound bad? A little trouble on the line. I feel just like Jim Shelton. La-da-da-da-da-da. There's the first ring, boys and girls, as I'm sure you can hear. Doobie-doobie-doobie-doo. Doobie-doobie. Certainly hope someone's home.
Hello?
Hello, who is this?
This is Lila Whip. Who's this?
Lila Whip, this must be your magic and enchanted evening, for this is Dave Letterman, fun seeker of the radio.
Wow.
Do you listen a lot, I'll bet? Huh, do you?
What station?
This is warm and wonderful WAGO. Do you live in the West Wing or anything?
No, I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, listen.
Radio?
Pardon me?
A radio station?
Yes, a radio station.
Sorry. No, I don't think I've ever heard of it.
Oh. Well, listen.
Listen, you should have called before. I've been asleep, and I've got to go to work at 3 at the Pixie.
At the Pixie?
Yes.
Hey, ho, at the Pixie! All right, Lila, this is your lucky night, sweetheart.
Hey, look.
Are you the all-night grill girl out there?
Yeah.
Whoa, a hot ticket on the phone, boys and girls.
No, really, I wish you would have called earlier, because I need my sleep.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, see, my husband took my boyfriend home not long ago.
Whoa! Oh,
Yeah.
something strange.
Well, I really have to go to sleep now because I got to get up.
At 3 to be at the Pixie, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, listen, Lila, we won't take up any more of your time than we actually have to.
I appreciate
But this is your chance to win a swell prize, and all you have to do is identify this sound. Did you hear that?
Can you do it again?
Certainly. We'll be. Are you really? There it was, Lila. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
All right. Now think very hard. Do you have any idea what that sound might be?
I don't know because I'm so sleepy.
Well, just go ahead and take a guess.
Yeah, I think I better take just a wild guess.
You're going to just take a wild guess, are you?
It sort of sounds like a set of horse dentures falling into a rusted horse or shell casing, but I can't be real sure.
Mrs. Whip, that's absolutely correct. It is a set of horse dentures falling into a rusted howitzer shell casing.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, this is really your lucky night.
We may not have to go to work yet.
That's fantastic. How did you know that? Huh?
Just a wild guess. I must have.
A wild guess?
Yeah, I must have been dreaming about it or something.
Well, Mrs. Whip, you hit it right on the nose.
That's something, isn't it?
It was outstanding. And listen, here's what we have for you tonight. You get the all-new Shtick ballpoint poisonous arrow. Now, this is a poisonous hunting arrow, Maine's first time, every time. How about that, Mrs. Whip?
That sounds real nice.
Huh? Oh, I can tell you're digging it. And good luck at the Pixie tonight, and thanks for playing the Mystery Noise game.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Yeah, call back earlier this time.
All right, you are, Mrs. Whip, and congratulations. Goodbye.
Thanks a lot.
Bye. Cloudy, windy, and warmer tonight. Showers or thunder showers tomorrow and possible showers tomorrow night. Currently, precipitation probability 60% with some drizzle outside, increasing to 80% tomorrow. And right now in sunny Muncie, Indiana, the garden spot of the Western Hemisphere, it's 58 degrees, or so we've been told. It's 11:40 in Muncie. Number 6 this week in the top 30 plus 15, Diana Ross and the Supremes. For a big Tuesday night, April the 1st in Muncie, Indiana. Oh, I'm living in shame. Oh.
Mama's cooking bread. She wore dirty, raggedy scarf around her head. Always had her stockings low to her feet. She just didn't know. She wore a sloppy dress. Oh, no matter how she tried, she always looked a mess. Out of the pot she ate, never used a fork or a dinner plate. I was always so afraid for my uptown friends to see her. Afraid one day when I was grown that I would be her. In a college town, away from home, a new identity I found. Said I was born in Eastwood, Mason service at my feet. I must have been insane. I had to spend more time on a weekend trip to Spain. She never got out of the house, never even boarded a train. Married a guy and was living high. I didn't want him to know her. She had a grandson 2 years old, but I'd never even show her. I'm living in shame. Mama, I miss you. I know you're not to blame. Mama, came the telegram. Mom passed away while making homemade jam. Before she died, she cried to see me by her side. She always did her best. Oh, cooking, cleaning, always in the same old dress. Working hard down on her knees, always trying to please. Mama, 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 can you hear me? Mama, 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 can you hear me? I'm living in shame. Mama, I miss you. I know you've done your best. Mama,
I'm living in shame. Giving birth to such immortal lines now as Mama died while making homemade jam, or Mama never left town, never even boarded a train. She was always passed out drunk underneath the kitchen drain. Things like likes that. The big literary contributions from the Supremes. Number 8 this week in the top 30 plus 15. You're listening to WAGO for a Monday evening, April Fools. My name's Dave Letterman.